You train your front, you train your back. But what about your sides? Your lateral chain is one of the most neglected systems in the body, and yet it's responsible for some of the most important movements: bending, reaching, stabilizing, and rotating. Let it go weak, and 10 years from now, you'll be stiff, imbalanced, and one wrong move away from injury. That's why today I'm walking you through a lateral chain reset, 5 movements that reawaken strength and flexibility in the sides of your body, helping you move with confidence and flow well into your 50s, 60s, and beyond. Let's get started. We begin with the deep grounded lateral opener. This stretch hits your obliques, lats, and intercostals, muscles that tighten and shrink from everyday postural habits like sitting, driving, and scrolling. Releasing them doesn't just feel good. It expands your breath, improves rotation, and unlocks the space your spine has been missing. This one's about reclaiming control and creating length where compression has taken over. Now we stay grounded and go even deeper. This movement gently opens the side body while protecting the lower back and building control through the spine. It's a must for anyone who's ever felt tight on one side or notice uneven flexibility. As we age, asymmetry becomes dysfunction unless we train it out. This is how you fix it. We take the same release and apply it to the real-world posture. The standing side bend helps decompress your spine, strengthen your core, and restore spinal agility, especially after long hours of standing or sitting. If you want to stay loose, limber, and light as you age, not stiff and hunched, this is non-negotiable. This isn't just a stretch, it's a reset button. Now we move. Side lunges bring everything together: flexibility, strength, and lateral stability. They target your adductors, glutes, and quads, while retraining your brain and body to move sideways with power. You might be wondering, why does this matter? Because most injuries happen outside the predictable planes of motion, and this trains you for the unpredictable. To finish, we build rhythm. The semi-hula hoop is a flowing movement that combines hip mobility, core activation, and spinal awareness. It's playful but powerful. Most people lose this kind of movement freedom by their 40s, but you're reclaiming it, and your body will thank you for years to come. Don't wait until you're tight, locked up, and frustrated to start training your sides. Your lateral chain is your secret weapon for balance, breath, posture, and performance. These 5 moves may not look extreme, but they build the kind of real-world, long-term strength most people only wish they had. Start your lateral chain reset today, and 10 years from now, you'll still be moving like someone half your age.